How can you prevent chicken from drying out during cooking?
Welcome to today's video. We'll be discussing the all-important question: how can you prevent chicken from drying out during cooking? By following these simple tips and techniques, you'll be able to keep your chicken moist and delicious every time you cook it.
What causes chicken to dry out?
First, let's talk about why chicken can become dry during cooking. Chicken dries out when it loses too much moisture. This can be caused by a variety of factors, such as overcooking, high heat, or improper preparation.
Selecting the right cut of chicken.
To prevent dry chicken, it's important to choose the right cut of meat. Dark meat, like chicken thighs and drumsticks, contains more fat and moisture, making them less prone to drying out. If you prefer white meat, opt for bone-in and skin-on cuts, as the skin and bone help retain moisture during cooking.
Proper preparation.
Before you begin cooking, properly prepare your chicken to retain as much moisture as possible. Here are some methods you can use. 1. Brining. Soak your chicken in a solution of salt and water for several hours. This helps the meat retain moisture during cooking. 2. Marinating. Marinate your chicken in a mixture of liquids, such as yogurt or buttermilk, and seasonings to add flavor and lock in moisture. 3. Pounding. If you're cooking chicken breasts, pound them to an even thickness to ensure they cook evenly and don't dry out.
Cooking techniques to keep chicken moist.
Next, let's discuss some cooking techniques that help prevent chicken from drying out. 1. Cook at a lower temperature. Lower heat helps prevent moisture loss. Try cooking your chicken at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, instead of 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. 2. Baste frequently. Basting the chicken with its own juices or with a flavorful liquid, such as a marinade, helps keep the meat moist during cooking. 3. Cover the chicken. When roasting or baking chicken, cover it with aluminum foil or a lid to trap steam and prevent the chicken from drying out. 4. Use a meat thermometer. To avoid overcooking, use a meat thermometer and cook the chicken until it reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius. 5. Let the chicken rest. After cooking, allow the chicken to rest for 5 to 10 minutes before cutting or serving. This allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, making it more tender and juicy. Now you know the secrets to prevent chicken from drying out during cooking. By selecting the right cut of chicken, properly preparing it, using the appropriate cooking techniques, and letting the chicken rest after cooking, you'll be able to enjoy moist, flavorful, and tender chicken every time. Happy cooking!